So Paramount Plus officially will be replacing CBS All Access, and it's going to be costing $10 a month ad-free, and they're going to be launching a $5 tier with ads in June of 2021. If you or anyone you know has CBS All Access or you're subscribed to it, you'll automatically qualify for comparable plan on Paramount Plus. And with the base tier of Paramount Plus, it's going to be $1 cheaper than CBS All Access at the entry-level price, but you'll no longer have the live stream CBS broadcast network. There are a couple other differences as well, but basically it's a very similar service to the CBS All Access and similar pricing, but the Paramount Plus premium tier will include everything. So it will be basically the same, just a different name. This is going to compete with companies like Disney Plus, HBO Max, Peacock, Apple TV Plus, Discovery Plus, all these other companies that have launched streaming services recently. They're all trying to get a bit of that market share, trying to take on Netflix. And Netflix doesn't do streaming, but they're all trying to. Netflix doesn't do like live TV shows. They do more, they do a lot of exclusive content themselves. They do license a lot of content, but these companies are trying to enter the mobile and streaming space, and they're all trying to get a bit of that market share. Interesting to see how that plays out, which one comes out on top. But right now, there are so many different ones. Let me know which ones you guys use. Me, personally, I have Hulu. I have Netflix. I think that's it. Yeah, I just have those two. I don't have YouTube TV or HBO Max or Peacock. But let me know which ones you guys have, because there are a lot of them.